asuntoskeittiö Lahden Pihti.
No, this is amazing, because we thought this was modernized or replaced in 2009, but according to some information, but it was some false information.
Yeah.
Strangely, but it's still with the original today, or maybe they were going to, but they decided not to.
Yeah.
They had put it in the information, but they didn't.
Yeah.
And this is the Pihtikatu 3 staircase A here in Liipola, Lahti, Finland, today on the 20th of July 2023. And let's get to rights here. Invest these 4 persons for 320 grams with 6 floors, built in 1975. 2050 years old in 2025, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. CMU station 31601. I like the smell in here.
Same.
I like the sounds here.
Jos tippaa kiva, jos menee eteenpäin Kone.
That's it, thank you very much. Let's get the other stations here, hopefully they have the same.
Yeah. That's